I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to do a little unboxing. Not a normal thing to do here. I don't buy that many new things. What we're going to be looking at is a DIY project kit by Kreg. 3 must-have tools for creating custom home organizing projects. I'm going to use this to make a shelf for the cabinet. Looks like they're not designed to be removed. Well, I can tell one reason that this thing's been on discount. People got really upset trying to get it apart. Okay. Past that first bit. Gotta tell you though, not impressed with that part of the operation. There's 2 buttons on here to align it. Slightly out of square. It's about a half a degree out. Not impressed. Can loosen up the screws. Having that much tolerance in the holes means I'm going to have to check this thing all the time to make sure it's straight. Testing a square is always a good thing, but having to do it right out of the box, not so much. Okay, now we got it square. That latches it down. That holds square. Looks like this is what's supposed to hold it down to your saw. And I'm missing a set screw out of that one. I'm hoping it's in the box. This is a slip that offers free project plans. Gives you codes to go to their website and download my free project plans. Go to www.kregtool.com, download offer, click on the redeem tab, and then enter the code for each project. Well, there isn't a set screw in there. Perhaps it's in part of the other materials. If I'm not finding a set screw, then I have to come up with a coarse thread. Looks to be a Phillips drive set screw. Probably, if I have to find one, it's going to be an Allen drive or hex key. And a Kreg newsletter, lots of advertising. And this is the Kreg shelf pin jig. There's information on how to use that. This is what I intend to use to make the shelf guide. Looks like a complete set. Let's set that over here. This is the directions for the rip cut. That's what this thing is called. Kreg rip cut. Just this. Missing a set screw. And the box was sealed, as we all saw. So if the set screw is missing, it is not in the mix. Okay, 2 strikes. Bar doesn't line up, and I'm missing a part. Actually, 3 strikes. 3 strikes. These little mounting pins, for packaging, they're terrible. This doesn't square up automatically. And then I'm missing a set screw. So getting a discount on buying this is nice, but I'd much rather have all the parts. And here is a Kreg jig cutting tool. Similar, not the same. Comes with a packet of screws. Drill bit, that's good. This one has a hex shank to go with my impact driver. And a driver. Stop collar for the drill bit. Hex key for the stop collar. Oh, this lets you set the depth. Directions on how to use the stop collar. Adjusting the position sliders, that's what these things on the side were. Directions on choosing a screw. How to use the Kreg jig. And then it goes into French. Repeating. Not very in-depth, but it does have information in it. That's good. Nice little box. Package of dowels that goes with it. Interesting, but not necessarily fascinating. I'll have to try this on a couple of projects, see how it works. Pricing is okay. The package would cost less than the individual pieces by themselves. Mostly because of the discount. Let's see how it works. Well, I've got the package open. Now we're going to have to see what it does. But that'll be for another day. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.